In this video, you'll learn how to cash out on MoonPay, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully convert your crypto assets into cash. To begin, navigate to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the site loads, you will see the home page featuring various options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Sell on the home page. This action will direct you to the selling section of the platform. Once this page appears, you will notice additional options related to selling your crypto assets. After that, click on the option labeled Sell Crypto. This will lead you to a new screen where you can initiate the selling process. You should see a message that states, sell your crypto for cash in a flash. This confirms that you are in the right place to proceed with your transaction. Now, type in the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Make sure to double check the value you enter, as this will determine how much cash you will receive. If you are selling a large amount, consider that the transaction may take longer to process depending on current network conditions. Next, click on the option for currency selection. This will open a drop-down menu where you can choose the currency you would like to receive. It is important to verify that you have selected a currency that meets your needs. Once you've selected your preferred currency, choose Euro, for example. This step is critical for ensuring that you receive your funds in the desired currency. Confirm your selection before moving on. Following this, click on the button labeled Review Order. This action will display a summary of your transaction, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are selling and the total cash you will receive. Take a moment to review this information for accuracy. Finally, click on the button labeled Sell. After this action, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is being processed. Keep in mind that your internet speed and the size of the transaction may affect how quickly you receive confirmation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.